Why do 100% of humans sneeze faster than they run? Let's find out. Okay, let's dive in. When you sneeze, you're launching those tiny droplets at a whopping speed of 100 miles per hour. That's like driving a sports car down the freeway. And get this, a sneeze can travel up to 26 feet. So if you thought you could sneak a sneeze without anyone noticing, think again. But wait, there's more. Your body goes through a mini workout during a sneeze. Around 5 different muscles spring into action, all in a split second. And those funny faces you make, totally normal. It's your body's way of protecting your eyes from the blast. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're basically a human rocket. Sneezing, nature's way of reminding us that we've all got a little speed demon inside. Gesundheit.